How to conversation between teachers and his students for a joyful teaching learning. We are making a funny videos. I hope you will love it. So let's enjoy videos. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, sit down. Dear students, have you done your homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now you submit your homework.
Sir, you promised to play a new game with us today.
Yes, I do remember. We will play a new game. Can you quiz us what is it?
No, sir. No, sir, we cannot. No, sir.
It is the quizzing game. It is very simple. One asks question and other quizzes the answer and try to reply.
But how will you start, sir?
Alright, let me start the game. Today I saw a black animal on the road on my way to school. What was it? Can you quiz?
It was a cow.
No, the animal was not so big.
You saw a cat. And you know, a cat crossing the road in front of you is a bad sign.
It is not true. It is nothing but supposition. The cat is a wonderful animal. I like it. Anyway, your answer is wrong. The animal I meet was not so small.
Sir, I am sure you saw a black goat.
You are right. Now you go on playing. Haman will start for you.
Today, my mother scolded me in the morning. Tell me what for?
Because you broke the cup.
Wrong. It was all about my habit.
You tore off some pages of the homework khata.
No. Again, it is the wrong answer.
You plucked flowers of the garden.
Wrong. You know I have no such bad habits.
You got up late, right?
You are right. Today I was a bit late. Usually I get up at 6 a.m.
Today I forgot to take something in the school bag. Can you guess what I forgot? You forgot to take the homework khata? Wrong. I have that in my bag. I know. You forgot to take the tiffin box. You are right. Don't worry, Lakshmi. We will share our tiffin with you.
Alright, this is not for today. The game is over now. You may play it in leisure time. Now you submit your homework. I will discuss some points in the lesson.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, all of you.